will cover Cestoda, the tapeworm, الديدان الشريطية. General characteristics: shape flat and tape-like, and body is segmented. The body is divided into scolex, is the head with suckers or hooks or both of them, as in the Taenia solemn. Neck is the region of the body just behind the scolex. It's usually short. Strobula is behind the neck. It consists of a row of segments called proglottids. The strobula is made up of anywhere from few to more than 1,000 proglottids. Each strobula contains the following types of proglottids, from front to back: immature proglottids with the beginnings of reproductive organs, mature proglottids which contains functional male and female reproductive organs, and gravid proglottids which contain ripe eggs. The gravid proglottids at the end of the worm break off and pass into the environment with host feces. Sexes: all cestodes are hermaphrodites. Each segment proglottid contains male and female sex organs, as you see here. These are the ovary and these are the testes. Elementary canal. Only sucker is present, no gut. Body cavity absent. Names of cestode: saginata, which is called beef tapeworm. الشريطية البقرية. Taenia solemn, pork tapeworm. ضد الشريطية الخنزيرية. Echinococcus granulosus, dog tapeworm. ضد الشريطية الكلبية. Diphyllobrium latam, fish tapeworm. ضد الشريطية السمك أو السمكية. Cestodes are divided into many orders, two of them of medical importance: Cestophilidae and Cyclophilidae. The differences are: order Cyclophilidae have 4 suckers with or without hooks, but Cestophilidae there are no suckers but have botria, sucking groove. In Cyclophilidae, uterus is a plant sac. In Cestophilidae, uterus opens to the outside. In Cyclophilidae have mature and non-auriculated egg, while in Cestophilidae have immature and an auriculated egg. In Cyclophilidae, they have mature and a non-auriculated egg, while in Cestophilidae have immature and an auriculated egg. In Cyclophilidae, the cestode of Cyclophilidae have marginal genital pores, while Cestophilidae cestodes have median genital pores. Taenia saginata, the beef tapeworm. Geographical distribution: it's widely distributed, especially in Africa, South America, and Mediterranean countries. Final host: man. Intermediate host: cows. Disease: Taniasis. Habitat: adults found in the small intestine of man only. Morphology: length from 10 meters to 12 meters. Scolex: Taenia saginata has 4 round suckers without hooks. It has no hooks or rastellum. Segments are tapped into. Immature segments: these follow the head. Mature segments follow the immature segments. Each one is slightly broader than long. Each has the female and male genital system. Gonopore is marginal. Uterus is blind. Ovary is posteriorly and bilobed. Testes are innumerous. A gravid segment is much longer than a broader, 20.7 mm. Only the gravid uterus is full of ova, as you see here. It has a median stem giving about 15 to 20 lateral compound branches on either side, as you see here. These uteral branches. Life cycle. The gravid segment detaches from the worm and passes in the stool. The eggs are mature and infected and released once the segment is ruptured. Here the egg has a membranous eggshell. The egg appears with its radially striated embryophore surrounding the endosphere with 6 hooklets. Beetles will take the egg with the food, the plants, that related with feces of infected man. The eggshell will disintegrate and the beetle's small intestine, releasing a hexagon embryo. This embryo will penetrate the small intestine to pass either with the blood or lymphatics to the circulation within 2 to 3 days. Within 2 to 3 months, the embryo will change into Cestodes bovis. It will be deposited in the muscle tissue of the heart, tongue, shoulders, jaws, thighs, and neck. As you see, this is the life cycle of Taenia saginata. The eggs released from the gravity proglated with the feces of infected man to the grasses. When the cattle eat the plant, they become infected by industrial vegetation contaminated with eggs or gravity proglated. Then the endosphere hatch, penetrate the intestinal wall and circulate to the musculature. Endospheres develop into cysticerci in muscles. Humans infected by ingestion raw or undercooked infected meat of the infected cattle. Mode of infection: man ingests undercooked beef with cysticerci that develop into adult worms to lay segments. As you see here, this is the egg of Taenia saginata, and penicillium are indistinguishable morphologically. The eggs are spherical, diameter 31 to 43 micrometer, with the thick radially striated brown hemico or embryophore. Inside each is an oncosphere with 6 hooklets, اللي هو الجنين سداسي الأشواك as you see here. Oncosphere. Symptoms: dyspepsia, intestinal colic, and diarrhea. Dyspepsia سوء الهضم, intestinal colic مغص معوي, diarrhea as you know الإسهال. Leukocytosis with marked increase in eosinophil levels اللي هو كثرة في زيادة في عدد كرات الدم البيضاء. Diagnosis: detection of segments or rarely egg. The segments can be put between 2 slides and examined by a lens to see the lateral branches 15 to 30 or 25. Prevention: first, patient should be treated. Patient treatment: cook the meat well or freeze it for at least 10 days at -9 centigrade. Not to contaminate pasture with the human waste and not use it to fertilize crops.